After the death of the ex-prime minister in Bangladesh, our foreign minister has went over there, and we hope that there will be no further deterioration in relations between India and Bangladesh. And Bangladesh stability is very important for India's security, as I've stated earlier, especially in northeast area. And yes, it is a fact that there are many forces which are inimical to India right now in Bangladesh. But this is a real test for this Modi government, that the relationship which we had with Bangladesh, a strong, a good, strong, stable Bangladesh having good relations with India is very important. When we hope that Mr. Narendra Modi's government will ensure that it happens, that the relationship, gets back to what it was before. And so this is an opportunity and a challenge for the Modi government.